Welcome back, guys. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we are in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our best wood chisel sets. Get ready to witness the artistry unfold as we explore the boundless possibilities that await, guiding you through the techniques, tips, and tricks that'll take your woodworking game to new heights. So grab your chisels, ignite your passion, and let's create woodworking wonders together on this thrilling journey through the enchanting realm of wood chisel sets available on our list today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The fifth wood chisel set in our list is the STANLEY Chisel Set, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a beginner, the STANLEY Chisel Set offers a reliable and versatile option for your woodworking projects. Known for their quality and durability, these chisels have earned a positive reputation among users. One of its standout features is its exceptional blade quality. Crafted from high carbon steel, the blades offer excellent edge retention, allowing for precise and clean cuts. Woodworkers especially appreciate the blade's ability to maintain sharpness even with frequent use, reducing the need for constant resharpening. Another standout feature is that the chisels in the set are well balanced, providing comfortable handling and precise control. This feature is particularly important for intricate woodworking tasks that require accuracy and finesse. Whether you're working on delicate details or tackling larger projects, it delivers consistent performance. With regards to set configuration, this set offers a variety of options to suit different woodworking needs. You can choose from sets that include a range of sizes or sets specifically tailored to certain chisel types, such as bevel edge or mortise chisels. This flexibility allows you to select a set that aligns with your specific requirements. Now, while the cost may vary depending on the set's size and configuration, users generally find that these chisels provide a cost-effective solution without compromising on quality. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to those looking for a wood chisel set that combines excellent blade performance and comfortable handling. The fourth wood chisel set in our list is the REXBETI 10 pieces premium wood chisel set, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. Introducing the remarkable REXBETI wood chisel set, the ultimate companion for woodworking enthusiasts seeking excellence in their craft. This exceptional chisel set has been meticulously crafted to elevate your woodworking experience and deliver unparalleled performance, all while offering unbeatable value. One of the standout features of the set is its comprehensive range of chisel sizes, providing unrivaled versatility for various woodworking projects. Whether you're intricately working on fine details or tackling large-scale tasks, you'll find the perfect chisel size to suit your specific needs. This thoughtful set configuration ensures that you have the essential chisels at your disposal for a wide array of woodworking applications. When it comes to performance, the REXBETI wood chisel set stands out as one of the top choices available on the market. The set comprises 6 blades, each offering different sizes and expertly designed for chiseling tasks. These blades, made from chrome vanadium, exhibit remarkable durability, surpassing the quality of alternative options. Their exceptional craftsmanship guarantees power and longevity, ensuring that sharpness is maintained over time. With blades of this caliber, you can have complete confidence in their performance and reliability. Affordability is another significant advantage of this chisel set. It delivers exceptional value for its price point, making it an appealing choice for budget-conscious individuals or beginners aiming to build their tool collection without compromising on quality. However, it's important to note that the REXBETI wood chisel set is primarily designed to cover general woodworking tasks and may not include specialized chisel types such as specific carving or mortise chisels. If your woodworking techniques require more specialized chisels, you may need to explore additional sets or individual chisel options to fulfill your specific requirements. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for anyone looking for a reliable and cost-effective chisel set. The third wood chisel set in our list is the GREBSTK 4-piece wood chisel set, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. The GREBSTK 4-piece wood chisel set provides an excellent starting point for woodworkers seeking the finest tools available. With 4 sizes, including 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch, each chisel offers ample length for various paring tasks, despite their somewhat short stature. What sets the set apart is a thoughtful inclusion of black plastic edge guards on each chisel. These guards not only protect the delicate tips from damage, but also safeguard your toolbox from unwanted nicks and scratches. Additionally, the blades come lightly oiled, providing a protective layer against corrosion and ensuring that your chisels remain in optimal condition. One standout feature of the GREBSTK set is the use of beechwood for the chisel handles, expertly secured with stainless steel hoops. This winning combination offers a comfortable and firm grip, allowing for optimal control during carving. The lightweight handles paired with the sharp beveled edges enabled effortless and highly precise wood carving. Moreover, this design enhances the chisel's ability to withstand impact, leading to an extended lifespan that will serve you well throughout your woodworking endeavors. However, it's worth noting that some users have shared that the blades of the GREBSTK chisels may benefit from initial sharpening or honing to achieve optimal cutting sharpness. This additional step ensures that the chisels perform at their absolute best and deliver the desired results, allowing you to fully unleash your woodworking creativity. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to those looking for a set that offers both safety and versatility. The second wood chisel set in our list is the Hurricane 4-piece wood chisel set, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. When it comes to regular use of wood chisels, durability is of utmost importance, and the Hurricane 4-piece wood chisel set excels in this regard. This set is a cost-effective option without compromising on quality. The vanadium steel blades, available in sizes of 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and an inch, are crafted to be sharp and heat-treated for long-lasting performance. Surprisingly, these chisels arrive razor-sharp straight out of the package and maintain their sharpness over time. Additionally, the blades feature a protective layer of lacquer that serves both as a lubricant and a preservative, ensuring their longevity. One standout feature we truly appreciate is the combination of materials used in the blades. The blend of steel, vanadium, and chromium results in a robust blade that you can rely on. It maintains its sharpness for an extended period, allowing you to work on your projects without worrying about constant resharpening. Just a heads up, some users have shared that the gripping sections of the chisel handles are relatively small. This design consideration might prove slightly uncomfortable for woodworkers with larger hands, as it may not provide the ideal grip for extended periods of use. If you have larger hands, you may want to take this into consideration before making your purchase. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for anyone looking for a chisel set that has premium material for exceptional durability and heat retention. The best wood chisel set in our list is the WORKPRO 3-piece wood chisel set, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. No set embodies the essence of craftsmanship quite like the WORKPRO 3-piece wood chisel set. This exceptional set is unparalleled in its understanding of the essentials of woodworking. It caters to a wide range of wood crafting needs, whether you're working with hard, soft, or laminated wood products. The chisels in the set are also heat-tempered, ensuring that the blade's sharpness is maintained over time by providing the perfect inclination for the bevel edges. One of the most impressive features of this chisel set is the high-quality materials used in its construction. The combination of vanadium steel and chrome results in an exceptionally sturdy blade. In our extensive testing, this unit has proven to be one of the most durable blades we've come across. In addition to its superior construction, this tool set offers 3 different blade sizes, 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and an inch. These blades can be operated with ease thanks to the specially designed ergonomic biomaterial handles that provide both comfort and control. As a bonus, each chisel features a robust steel strike cap capable of withstanding heavy pounding, ensuring longevity and reliability. They also come with a full-length blade guard, allowing for secure storage and easy access whenever needed, and further enhancing safety and organization. Now, while the handles of the WORKPRO chisel set generally offer a secure grip and decent comfort, some users have found them to be less ergonomic or slightly bulky compared to higher-end chisel sets. This feedback suggests that individuals with smaller hands might experience reduced comfort and precision during prolonged use. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to those looking for a set that offers a wide range of options but don't want to sacrifice comfort or affordability. And there you have it, folks, our best wood chisel sets, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for next wood chisel set roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.